What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be showing you guys how to get some Bombshell flat iron curls. So if you want to see that, definitely keep on watching and let's get into it.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna want that lover. You give me feels that you do, no one can do it like you.
Before we start, I just want you guys to know that this wig is from Symonroe Hair. I'll be sure to leave the Instagram and the exact website down in the description box, so make sure you guys go check that out. So to start off, I'm going to be using my electric hot comb to just lay down my frontal. If you wear wigs, a hot comb is definitely something that you must have. It just lays down your hair so nicely. So if you don't have one, make sure you go get one. Here I'm separating my hair into two parts, and each part is going to be split into smaller sections. This just makes the curling process a little bit faster. And also, since my hair is cut into layers, it helps me see the layers a little better. Today I'll be using the Furiden flat iron, and I got this on Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box. As you can see, the ends of this flat iron are rounded, so this is what makes you be able to curl your hair. First, I flat iron the root of the hair a little bit, and then I flip the flat iron backwards and pull the hair down. I usually flip the hair around 2 to 3 times until I get to the bottom of the hair. And you guys, if you don't get this the first time, don't worry about it. Like, it took me a while to learn how to do this, but when you do get the hang of it, it is so easy. So yeah, you're just gonna keep flipping the flat iron backwards and pulling the hair down until you get to the end, and then you see your beautiful curl. In the next clip, I will slow it down so you guys can see closely of what I'm doing, just in case if what I'm saying is not really making any sense. I hope you guys understood how I was explaining this, and the slow-mo helped y'all a little bit. So I'm just going to repeat this throughout my whole head, and then I'll be back when I finish. Alright you guys, so I finished curling my hair and now I'm using my Edge Booster wax stick to lay down any flyaways. So this is how the curls came out. Every time I do these curls, I'm just amazed every single time at how bouncy they are. But if you made it this far into the video, I added a few little hairstyles. Here I'm just putting a little clip on the side, and this is really cute and classy. The clip has some rhinestones on it. I really like this. For the next style, I'm going to be parting off two little sections of the front of my hair, and I'm going to press out the front and just lay it down so that I can put them into ponytails. For the last hairstyle, I took those same parts and I made two cornrows going backwards and I secured it with the rubber band. So you guys, this is the end of the video and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell to be notified the next time I post. I will see you in my next video.